Hi everyone, I need to shoot this video from work because my computer get malfunction in weekend. So anyway, I'm going to talk about data mining and artificial intelligence in this video. I hope you enjoy it. First of all, what is data mining? Data mining is a process to turn data into meaningful information. Most of the companies are doing this because they want to learn more about their customers and they want to catch them with new strategies. By doing this, they can increase their profits. With data mining, airlines can predict who is going to miss their flight, or doctors can spot a fatal infections. Power of data mining is just like you are holding a magic wand in your hand. With that wand, you can either save your business or you can sink democracies in some countries. And yes, you are actually sink democracies with data mining. But there is no magic in that. Data mining is just apply statistic, it search for data patterns and data points that humans might not spot. I think data mining is just like a weather forecast. Meteorologists aim for two things. First, they want to describe patterns in the weather to simplify its complexity into a few numbers and equations. And second one, they are basically try to predict Friday weather. Some companies doing things like this. I mean, they are predicting something. I think you can guess which companies are they, like YouTube and also Spotify, Instagram. Spotify data experts might be interested in describing hard rock fans and separate them from another rock listeners. The most important thing to companies like Spotify is predicting what each person wants to listen, and because if they can predict what I want to listen, then I will spend more time on this app. For example, YouTube. If YouTube knows what I might be watch later, then I'm going to spend more time on later. Just think of your Instagram keşfet. I don't remember the English name of it now, but just think of it. In keşfet, all posts are kind of related, just like someone is specifically designed for us. I guess you can guess how they are making money, right? They are making money from us, from our personal thoughts, from our personal preferences, personal choices, even. Don't forget, if you are not paying for the product, then you are a product. It's so simple. But how these companies predicts they are collecting data. I mean, Spotify collect our gen labels or our acoustic that we love to listen, internet reviews, and anything else about each track. They also collecting our ages, location, our friend group, and that's how we get our weekly discover from Spotify. So now let's look at artificial intelligence in healthcare industry. Artificial intelligence is already start to change healthcare industries. It's inevitable that in the future, in some point, doctors will replace their place to an AI. Let's take a look at a few medical specialties AI already making difference in healthcare. In 2008, a deep learning algorithm was developed using more than 50,000 images, chest images, and almost 7,000 scans with an active TB. By the way, TB means tuberculosis. It's a kind of lung disease. At some point, algorithm became so good that in performance tests, it easily beat radiologists, doctors. So, researchers in Germany, US, and France developed a deep learning network to identify skin cancer. by uploading thousand images of malignant melanomas. After its training, they compared AI performance with 58 international doctors. Doctors accurately detected more than 86% of melanomas, but AI detected 95% of them. It's up to you. Who are you going to trust? A human doctor or an artificial intelligence? Cardiovascular diseases are the number one cause of death globally. Early detection is critical for both management and treatment for those who's affected. In the future, AI-based predictions could be a lifesaver. Scientists are using deep learning methods to identify age, gender, smoking status, and blood pressure only by looking at eye. So let's take a look at AI in customer service. AI can make customer service so simpler. I'm going to talk about three different ways that AI can take role in customer service. First one is case classification. AI system can learn from case histories and automatically routes cases to the right agents. Second one is article recommendation. AI can recommend related articles to your customers and create demand for your products easily. And third one is chatbots. Chatbots powered by an AI can easily solve customer problems without any human interaction. For example, you have some kind of problem with your product and you want to connect with the customer service, you go online, you open up an online support system. You might think that you are talking with the human, but actually it's big possibility that you are talking with an AI who learns our choices and our activities. My final topic is AI in education. In China, they are using headbands to measure each student's level of concentration, and this information sent directly to the teachers' computers and also parents' phones. Also, in China, classroom have some robots that analyze students' health and engagement levels. Also, again in China, some schools have uniforms that with chip on them, and that chip is tracking their location and see how often students check their phones actually. It sounds to me a little bit prisonish, but China is a different country and I really admire for them. So anyway, this is the end of my presentation. I hope you liked it.